Hi everyone, I wanted to run by you a quick demo of Keplo Beta, our current status with development and where the project is going. So let's start quickly by summarizing what is Keplo. And our goal is simple, is to become the best market research, product and brand development toolkit for Amazon and beyond. And I like to break its capabilities into these three features: discover, define, and ideate. And I will show you how, in a quick demo, of how these three features apply into creating brand and product ideas. So let's start with discovery. It's about understanding your customers through real data, not assumptions. Keplo excels in gathering and organizing vast amounts of information to clearly define who is the target audience and how they use the product. Define, identify the essential product features and customer needs. The goal of this process is to launch better products, not just different ones. It's very easy to be different, but it's very difficult to be better. And our goal is to empower you to create better brands and products. And ideate, this is the power of Keplo. Based on all of that data we gather, we are able to ideate quicker. We're launching features like product improvement suggestions, detailed customer profiles, and many more. So stay tuned to see example of this ideation power. So let's start with our short case study and with our Keplo discovery process. So let's kick off with the search. We have designed the search to be quite simple in use and intuitive. It includes powerful filtering features also, so you can quickly identify the products and brands that you would like to analyze. So let's take a look at the next step, which is Keplo gathering data about the products. Here I have decided to pick a category of sports water bottles. I can clearly understand who is the reviewer, so who purchased the product. Then the end user, so who is actually using the product. Usage patterns, organized from the most common, which is gym workouts, outdoor running. Pros, most discussed features and benefits users praise. Each analysis consists of a label, in-depth explanation, but you can also browse related reviews in order to get even more understanding. Cons, the opposite, which is the most discussed issue related to products. And then after the cons, we go into most powerful tool in Keplo, which is the different outputs. And the main one today I would like to discuss are product improvement suggestions based on all of that data that Keplo discovered. Another great thing about Keplo is that you can gather content and images that you like and create an inspiration library. So here I'm picking some of the images that I like from those products. You can also look into each product individually. So I can click on the product and review the single product analysis to compare them, or simply to download the report and share it. Next step is to define our goal. Based on the research, I wrote the problem solution statement myself with a bit of help of obviously AI, as I wanted to have full control over this initial and the most important input. We are also introducing dev books, so no more confusing Excel spreadsheets for your product development workflow. All of this is integrated within our app, so you can write on the go, create inspiration boards, share it, and many more benefits that come from the dev book. So basically, I was researching and I wrote my problem solution statement in the dev books. Now we can jump into ideation, and here it's your job to take the ideas further and refine them. We'll initially be introducing 4 types of assistants that will help you with research and further ideation. The product copilot is trained on millions of data points around product industrial design and the manufacturing processes. The branding copilot helps you define your brand. The avatar dives deep into your customer needs and profiles, creating user journey maps. Lastly, the content ideation copilot specializes in creating high converting copy and content ideas for your product and brand. Let me demo our product copilot for you. We have trained this Copilot on tons of data around product development processes and data analysis. The only thing you need to do is drop your Keplo research in there, any additional information, and that's it. Our Keplo Copilot will guide you in the process of on defining the product improvement opportunities even further. So here's an output organized in just a simple keynote presentation. I just copied it from the Copilot, starting with a summary. Let's dive into features the Keplo proposed. The first one is to design it with a stronger material. Why not be the best of the best, which is carbon fiber? And it always explains every single decision in detail. Larger capacity and handle for gym folks. It makes sense, right? This one surprised me and I added it. Keplo Copilot insisted that the product should have a protein powder compartment, and I mean, it makes total sense. It also said that if we have a protein powder feature, we need a wider mouth opening so it can easily go inside. Also easy to drink from it. And the last one, which I love the most, is the reinforced lid idea. I was not sure where Keplo is trying to go with it, but it made a lot of sense after just a couple of minutes looking at it. And let me show you. We'll also be exploring additional workflows using AI that will help you ideate faster without the need for advanced creative skills. So here's an example of me refining the idea with Kriya. And boom, in a matter of few minutes, we have our initial idea of a carbon core, insanely durable water bottle for gym freaks. And here's the thing, some of these ideas might be impossible to develop or not make sense financially, but the more you have of them, the better. It will help you to innovate and ideate faster. It's then your job to decide which of these features you'd like to pursue. Think of Keplo as your data-driven creative assistant. Using our brand Copilot, I was able then to create further content for the brand in a matter of minutes. Here's my mission statement, my brand colors, typography, and of course the logo. And what I also love about Keplo is the fact that you can easily profile your end user or the end user of your competition based on data we gather, which is gender profile, usage patterns, and many, many more data points. This can help you to better tailor your brand content or product design, or step into a category where you currently do not have access to a lot of data. And here's a spin I want to quickly show you. I have also decided to go into another direction, and I asked Keplo to create a brand for kids based on the research I had of the water bottles. Very quickly, Keplo discovered that the main issue with kids is keeping them interested in the act of staying hydrated, and came up with an idea to use water-resistant stickers to customize bottles, creating a stronger attachment between the kid and the bottle. And for the parent to have it as a tool for reward. You get the stickers when you keep using the bottle. All of this came from our Keplo research and a 5-minute exchange with the Copilot, together with ideas around packaging, slogans, and overall brand direction. It's all about creating ideas quickly and as many as possible, so you can then filter them, test them, and decide which ones are worthy pursuing. So here's a summary of our Keplo process that we'll be developing with you in order to help you innovate faster. Start with curiosity. Remember that we are all designers. Ideas are really cheap, powered by AI and data, and fueled by your own emotional intelligence and experience. Make it your habit and innovate. And you probably have heard this, that AI will not replace humans, but humans who use AI will replace those who don't. So if you're ready to take on the challenge and get familiar with AI, join Keplo, and remember, perfection doesn't advance anything. Thank you. Please share this video and help us to get the word out. With more users, we'll be able to introduce awesome features quicker. Thank you.